How I ate too much food, I feel like I'm going to. Oh yeah, I feel much better out of the park for a little while.
I'm going to the bathroom because I have to pee. What is that smell? Oh, I know who did this. It was Charlie. I am telling Dad. Dad, get over here right now.
What is it, Cookie Cutie?
Charlie refused to flush the toilet.
Oh my god, Charlie will be grounded for this. Thank you for telling Cookie Cutie.
Charlie, 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 Charlie. Get over here now.
Oh no, I'm busted.
That's right, and how dare you refuse to flush the toilet? You know that you have to flush the toilet.
I don't fucking care.
Charlie, stop that right now. Just go and flush the toilet, or I'll slap you in the face.
Fuck this shit.
Did you flush the toilet just like I asked you to?
Yes, Dad.
Good for refusing to flush the toilet earlier. You're grounded until Cookie Cutie goes to college. Go to your room now.
What? That's not fair.